Welcome to the Systems Thinker, a video series to help you know the whole, focus on the constraint and reach your goal. Pause and look around. What's going on? What actions and behaviors do you observe? Have you assembled them into events and patterns? Are you getting better and better at understanding what these system symptoms are telling you about what's below? Under the surface, can you see the structure by which we make formal and informal rules and decisions? Can you discern how the feedback processes reinforce mental models and bake in ever more deeply our habits and norms? Dig deeper and you can sense the tone and energy of your system through the quality and network of its relationships. If you tune in, you'll detect an atmosphere informing you of the mood and the quality or character of the dynamics between the actors on stage and off. And all the way down at the bottom is identity, who we are and the story we tell ourselves of why we're here. Those more profound questions inform our self-image, the quality of our presence, and our loyalties. However, we tend to be constantly distracted by the relentless noise of the actions and reactions of our daily lives. When we're not careful, we end up living in a world of symptoms with not much leverage over our own bigger picture and those we seek to serve. When was the last time you took the time to ask yourself about that most profound depth of your identity? Who are you in your idea of the best version of your highest self? What work are you here on this good earth to do? What difference will it have made once you're done when others say, if not for you, we never would have? What will they tell others about your legacy? If you can dwell in a place anchored in your answers to those big questions, you'll have a significantly greater and more rewarding impact at the level of actions and behaviors. That's your tip for better ways to do better work and redefine what's possible.